What's up, guys? How's it going? Cool, buddy. Hello. Hello, Ansh. 48 others have joined. So let's chat. What's happening? What are you guys doing? Varun भाई, फैजल मार्क, what's up भाई? कहाँ पे भाई? घर पे ही हूँ अभी इस वक्त. अभी थोड़े वक्त में मैं डबिंग के लिए जाने वाला हूँ. बट बेसिकली मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं घर पे बैठ रहा हूँ, यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस देख रहा हूँ कोरोना वायरस के ऊपर एंड व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दैट आर बीइंग टेकन. आई हर्ड कि अमेरिका में देयर वाज अ फर्स्ट वैक्सीन ट्रायल दैट दे जस्ट डिड इन सिएटल. पुणे में कब आओगी? यार भाई, सबको घर के बाहर जाना है. पुणे में बहुत जल्द आऊंगा. होपफुली थिंग्स विल गेट बेटर एंड आई विल बी देयर. और बताइए. आज फील स्टिल सेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ट्स. पीयू दत्त. What did I have in my breakfast? Actually, I've not eaten anything in my breakfast. मैं सुबह उठ के I've been having hot water and my mom's been giving me haldi and honey. That's what I have in the morning nowadays. But मैं बहुत पेट भर के खा रहा हूँ आजकल. I've put on a little weight also actually. I've put on some weight sitting at home, like I think most people have. Might try because I've been eating late at night. यार कुछ कल रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी तो मैंने एक ऑमलेट बना दिया अपने लिए. I made 3 egg white omelette with cheese actually. I'm good, Vedant. Kashish Bhatt, how are you? Hi. I'm looking super fit. Not yet. Nidhi Bidhi. That's your name, Nidhi? Hey. Siddhant Kapoor, what's up? Good to see you as well, brother. So, any questions? I decided that collab कर लेते हैं. Rahul, DIG. How's it going, Rahul? How are you? Please, Rahul, आप घर के बाहर बहुत निकलते हैं. आप प्लीज, क्योंकि बच्चे और बुजुर्गों का खास ख्याल रखना है हमें. So, you fall in one category. Please be careful. Hi Jayashree, how's it going? How are you? Jayashree is my skin specialist and she's amazing. Please follow her. Coolie number 1, as of now, we are still aiming at May 1st, but let's see how things unfold. Yeah, no one can find. Vriddhi Lodha. Some filters. Fair and fresh. Okay. Thank you. For a change, I have time to check out other people's lives on Insta. That's good, I think, Jayashree. You should even. I think you needed a break because your life was the most hectic. And actually, you should tell people what they can do when they're in lockdown. Amit Chopra, you're in lockdown in US. We're kind of in lockdown over here, I'd say. I don't know. Has everybody in India been quarantining or what have you guys been doing? गुजरात में क्या चल रहा है? अहमदाबाद में क्या चल रहा है? या लखनऊ में या बिहार में या उड़ीसा में? Have you guys been in quarantine या क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग क्वारंटीन में? No, I'm not following keto diet at the moment. Hey Kanchan. Yeah, there is a lot of people say that you can take homeopathic medicine as well as a preventive. तो वो भी कर रहा हूँ. When is my next movie releasing? As of now, it's releasing on May 1st. But थोड़ा वक्त है उसके लिए. अभी देखना पड़ेगा कैसे चीजें जा रही है. But as of now, we are all praying कि सब ठीक चीज हो जाए. सब चीजें ठीक हो जाए in the next couple of months. So my girlfriend is troubling me a lot to tell her something. So tell her that you love her, or tell her that you like her. Tell her that you don't mind being quarantined with her. Boards and coronavirus are deadly combination. Yeah, it is a deadly combination. But are the board exams still on? Because I've heard the schools and colleges are shut at the moment. So Someone's giving a thumbs up. So big fan, bhai. Thank you, Sona. एक smile. यार शादी कब है, ये सवाल का जवाब दे दे के मैं बहुत बोर हो गया हूँ. जब होगी होगी, अभी देखेंगे. अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, अभी तो सब क्वारंटीन में है. कूली नमन का ट्रेलर वॉज सपोज टू कम आउट ऑन April 2nd, बट राइट नाउ can't tell anything. What was my experience working with Sara? So my experience working with Sara was very interesting. Sara जो है वो बहुत ही different किस्म की इंसान है. She's a very young girl but very very hard working. She wants to give her best and achieve the best. और I think she's got this restless energy in her which needs to be controlled, which we worked on. And otherwise she's a great person, great human being. Very fun. It's very funny. Do I like vada pav? I love vada pav. पतले हुए? अरे नहीं यार, मैं पतला तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो गया हूँ. Not at all. Not at all. Keep safe from corona. Yes, we are trying to do that. Alia Bhatt is saying very insightful live. Yeah, Alia. It is insightful. So don't copy me now. Why don't you come live with me, right now? If you want to come. Hi, MJ is back. Alia replied you, bro. Answer. Hee. I replied. That's Chandar. He works with me. So let me just show you what else I do. That when I am going to work out और मैं कुछ ऐसा कुछ कर रहा हूँ, तो usually मैं ये gloves लेके जाता हूँ मेरा. Like you all know that obviously my brand is Reebok, so they've given me these gloves which I wear when I do work out, and I wear this when I get out. Also, when I'm at home, these balloons are not mine, these are my niece's. So when I do work out, I come in here usually. This is in my home itself, and I have this punching bag also. So this is where I do get in a little bit of a workout if I do. We should shut the lights. Yeah. और फिर इवनिंग में फिर इधर चिल करता हूँ मैं. दिस इज लाइक अ बैल्कनी जो है यहाँ पे. Anytime, brother. So you're alone? Yes, I am alone. My parents live on top. They live upstairs. I live here downstairs. Are you working out at home? I do work out at home, or I usually go to the gym. But since the gyms are shut right now, there's someone's gym close by which is a little bigger, so I try and go there. Everyone's saying hi, so I'm also going to say hi. Recently, I posted a video on Instagram about home workout. Check it out. Okay. Chiney Yash. I will check it out for sure. Hi, hello. Your video got paused. I hope it's back on. Where is Niara? Niara was just down here. In the morning, she comes down here and she runs around. Now she's gone back up. जब से कोरोना आया है, तब से समोसा नहीं खाया है यार. ऐसे अजीब सा लग रहा है. तो ठीक है, समोसा खाइए आप. I love you too. हाँ, no signal. अभी signal आ गया. Okay, I'm getting the comments. I think maybe I should just walk inside so that we get ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग जो मैं करता हूँ, मैं ये बॉल जो है ये मेरे नीज का है, तो मैं इसके साथ खेलता रहता हूँ. बेसिकली ये टाइम पास करता रहता हूँ मैं इसके साथ. हमेशा. थैंक यू. हाय नंदिता. Some tips to be fit, I don't know, yeah. I mean, फिलहाल तो सुबह सुबह उठ के I've been having hot water, and yeah, that's about it. And I have one coffee. Usually, the coffee that I do have is almond milk cappuccino with sugar free. आंखें सूज गई हैं, देखो. कब आएगा न्यू मूवी? अरे बोल चुके हम. Siddharth Nagam, stay safe. Hey Siddharth, what's up? I love what you do on your show, and you're supremely fit, यार. तुम कूदते रहते हो and you keep jumping. You're supremely inspiring as well, Siddharth. So best of luck to you. I keep seeing glimpses of you dancing with the same girl actually. So best of luck to you all. You look very nice together. एक गाना मैंने सुना है recently. Yesterday, Ayush has starred in a song called Manjha, which is out, which is a really nice song, and check it out. It's on YouTube, I think, and Ayush has done it with Sai, and I think they look very cute together in it. They're playing and fighting over a manja, and it's a cute love story. So check that song out. It's online. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. Mano, what's up? आप कितने स्मार्ट लग रहे हो. थैंक यू. Everyone wants me to say their name. Is there any reason why Ankit called me? So you look handsome. Okay, I just woke up in the morning, but thank you. Come to Nepal. Yeah, I would love to. I would love to go anywhere. I would love to go downstairs right now. And why not? But yeah, this is it. This is what I do with my beard. I just pull at it nowadays. I don't know. Jin ke baad daadi hai. Any more movies with Leah? There will be some more, hopefully. I'll have to ask her about that. Love you, bro. Love you too. And my birthday is coming soon. Yes, 24th April. My birthday is going to be here. Let's hope that my birthday is as good like it is for me, like it is for everyone. And we all get some new news. We get some good news. What's my next movie after Coolie #1? Actually, it's undecided. My next film after Coolie is very undecided, and I'm just deciding to take my time before signing another film, because I want to be absolutely sure that that's what I'm very inspired to do as an actor. As of now, yes, the Arun Khetrapal biopic, the one with Sriram Raghavan, that's the one that is currently being prepped for. But that's going to take some time, because that's a very big film and it's a big responsibility. So that's going to take some time. Might do something before that. I'll let you guys know. Don't believe rumors. I'm very good. Punjabi Vijagal, Andhiya Manu. Love from Bihar, love to Bihar. Hope everything is good over there. What have you guys been doing at home? आप मुझे ये बताइए. I love you in Kalang so much. Thank you. Thank you for that. थोड़ा कॉमेडी करो ना भाई. अरे यार, इधर बैठे बैठे भी कॉमेडी क्या करूँ? अभी तो ट्रेजेडी चल रही है लोगों की दुनिया में. रफ्तार बॉय, hello, hello, hello. So I'm going to leave now because I have to go. I've got a couple of things to do, but this was fun. ये वापस करेंगे हम लोग. I'm going to take a couple of your questions from before, which I'll write either on Twitter or Instagram, and then come back live and answer them to you guys. तो फिर मजा आएगा. जो आप चाहते हैं. Maybe we'll have some music. We'll have some fun. Ama B. My friend Ama B is over there. He's training bantamweight fighter in India, in Andheri. Hit him up. Thank you for being excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys. Lots of love. Take care. And I'm going to run.